It's estimated that nearly half of adults attempt to lose weight each year, and for years, low-fat diets were thought to be the best way to lose weight. A growing body of evidence shows that low-fat diets often don't work, in part because these diets often replace fat with easily digested carbohydrates. Thousands of diets have been created, many promising fast and permanent weight loss. Remember the cabbage soup diet? The grapefruit diet? The caveman diet? The Subway diet? The apple cider vinegar diet? And a host of forgettable celebrity diets? Yet, the sheer number of available diets may make it difficult to get started, as you're unsure which one is most suitable, sustainable, and effective. Some diets aim to curb your appetite to reduce your food intake, while others suggest restricting your intake of calories and other carbs or fat. Healthy weight loss isn't just about a diet or program. It's about an ongoing lifestyle that includes long-term changes in daily eating and exercise habits. Once you've achieved a healthy weight, rely on healthy eating and physical activity to help you keep the weight off over the long term. Losing weight is not easy, and it takes commitment. Unbeknownst to many people, one may adopt different exercise and diets to no success. This is because they are not addressing the root cause. With the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic program, a person doesn't only reduce their weight but tackles the root cause of weight gain. Furthermore, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic eliminates the risks of weight gain in the future. So, if you've been struggling with your weight, don't be hard on yourself. It's not your fault. Nobody ever told you about this hidden cause of weight gain. What is the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a new one-of-a-kind weight loss tonic supplement, supporting healthy weight loss and digestion. It's an active weight loss supplement that comes in powder form. This weight loss supplement works by targeting fat storage, thus increasing metabolism and accelerating weight loosen in men and women. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a formula that is 100% natural, that combines special herbs. These active natural ingredients are what give it its weight loss functions. In addition to weight loss, the active ingredients in the tonic promote blood pressure control and regulate cholesterol. Drinking this tonic every day before 10 a.m. will provide you with powerful antioxidants, digestive support, and metabolic support throughout the day, maintaining healthy energy and a healthy inflammation response all day long. As your brain lights up, you feel confident, strong, and as young as you did 10 years ago. Those are just some of the benefits. And I know you may feel a little skeptical when I tell you that drinking a simple daily tonic while following a few nutritional tips can do all this for you. How does Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic powder work? The unique metabolic blend inside the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supports a faster metabolism, burns away excess fat and calories at an astonishing rate, maintains healthy digestion, and increases reserves of natural energy. The active ingredients target the tiny proteins in the blood that block out the metabolic functions and inflame digestion. These tiny inflammatory proteins are known as C-reactive or CRP. These proteins interrupt metabolic processes which, in turn, block out the fat-burning hormone, adiponectin. If the CRP proteins in one's blood are not tackled, this may lead to the damage of mitochondria. With inflamed mitochondria, the body will not be able to break down nutrients into energy, thus thwarting metabolism. Consuming the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic helps to tackle CRP and activate adiponectin, converting the food you eat into energy instead of storing fat cells. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic contains some of the ingredients that are only endemic to Okinawa, Japan. The Okinawa region is evidence of the fact that these ingredients are effective. Identified amongst the few places in the world with the highest life expectancy. Some of the ingredients, found in the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, are integrated into the region's daily diet and natural treatment remedies. Some of the natural active ingredients include EGCG- found in green and white tea. This plant extract burns body fat instantaneously and induces thermogenesis. Piperine, extracted from black pepper. This plant antioxidant is what makes the spice the best ingredient for effective digestion. Inulin, extracted from the chicory plant root. This fiber works by tackling visceral fats and eliminating increased food cravings. Hibiscus abderifa. This delicate red flower is endemic to the Okinawa region and aids in the acceleration of fat loss. Antioxidant fruits. These fruits actively promote health and facilitate quick fat burning, energy boosting, better immunity, and increased digestion. Aronia berry. As a powerful antioxidant, Aronia berry promotes immune system health and energy. Acai berry. This berry regulates cholesterol levels while supporting brain health. Additionally, the acai berry eliminates fat absorption. Mulberry. Similar to acai berry and Aronia berry, mulberry helps to regulate cholesterol and blood sugar, respectively. Rutin, found in mulberry, enhances fat burning rates too. Maortica charantia, whilst controlling blood sugar levels. Maortica charantia decreases fats in the waistline too. All by drinking a single cup each day, you can now benefit from the same age-defying effects as the youthful Okinawan Islanders have done for centuries. Simply mix the Okinawa tonic powder with water each morning, around 1 to 2 hours after eating a small breakfast, and benefit from all-day-long healthy metabolism, digestion, and soaring energy. What sets the Okinawa Belly Tonic apart from other weight loss programs is its effectiveness, without the need to alter one's lifestyle. Using this weight loss tonic, one doesn't have to engage in difficult workout routines or diets to achieve weight loss. A few scoops of this 100% naturally formulated, flat belly tonic is what's needed to achieve weight loss. Conclusion. Drinking the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, it's one of the healthiest ways to lose weight. This supplement is a great weight loss, supporting healthy weight loss and digestion, since it targets the root cause of weight loss and prevents future weight gain, ensuring better health and digestion. After using the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, one will not only enjoy a lean body but be full of energy and confidence. For more information, click on the link below and order your Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. And remember, your body is your most priceless possession. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.